So, you're ready to dive into the world of entrepreneurship. Maybe you've already got the drive, the dream, and just enough coffee to keep you up for days. But here's the big question. What are the smartest investments you can make to build a successful business in 2024? Today, I'm sharing 5 investments that'll give you a serious edge. And stick around, because number 5 is the game changer that everyone's been sleeping on. Alright, let's jump in. Starting with investment number 1, something that most people overlook until it's too late. Personal development. Now, I know what you're thinking. Personal development? That sounds more like self-help than business. But hear me out. Investing in yourself, through courses, coaching, or even just setting aside time to read, is like adding high-performance fuel to your business. Entrepreneurs who invest in learning new skills, understanding the market, or developing resilience see higher returns over time. Think of it this way. It's one thing to build a business, but it's another thing to know how to build a business that can stand the test of time. Imagine trying to run a marathon but never training your legs. Yeah, you might make it a few miles, but good luck making it to the end. So pick up that leadership course, sign up for that coaching program, or grab that audiobook. Whatever helps you grow is going to make you that much more powerful in the long run. Now on to investment number 2. Technology. Cue suspenseful music, because this is where things get interesting. In 2024, tech is the name of the game. It doesn't matter if you're opening a coffee shop or launching an online brand, technology is going to be your best friend. And no, I'm not just talking about having a decent laptop and Wi-Fi. I'm talking about investing in automation software, AI tools, and data analytics. AI alone is leveling the playing field, letting even small startups leverage tools that used to be reserved for big corporations. Imagine automating your customer service with chatbots, or using software to manage your finances so you're not stressing over receipts at midnight. Investing in tech is like adding rocket fuel to your growth. Not only will it save you time, but it'll also give you insights to make smarter decisions. Now, for investment number 3. I bet you didn't see this one coming. Branding and marketing. Too many aspiring entrepreneurs think they can get by without investing in a strong brand. Let me ask you this. Would you buy a car without knowing the brand or the quality? Exactly. Your brand is like the personality of your business, the thing that gets people to not just notice you, but actually remember you. And here's the suspense. Branding isn't just about a logo or some catchy colors. It's about crafting a story that resonates with people. Your brand should say, hey, you can trust me. I'm here to make your life better. Successful entrepreneurship requires smart investments. First, invest in yourself with continuous learning as personal growth strengthens your business. Second, leverage technology to streamline operations and save time, making work more efficient. Third, focus on branding by building trust and emotional connections with your audience, which makes a lasting impression. Invest in quality design, messaging, and targeted marketing, as these create memorable brands. Networking is fourth. Connect with mentors, entrepreneurs, and partners to open doors and access valuable opportunities. Networking now includes strategic partnerships and social media, not just traditional events. Finally, invest in experiences. Create unforgettable customer journeys and engaging spaces that foster loyalty and make people remember your brand. Experiences are what set brands apart in today's competitive market. Together, these 5 investments, self, technology, branding, networking, and experiences, lay the groundwork for a resilient and remarkable business in 2024.